Welcome to Mishna study, Masechet Kilayim, Perek Chet Mishna Gimal. In this Mishnah, we're going to discuss a person who's leading the Kilayim, right? So he has a chariot, a wagon, and he's either pulling the shor and the hamor, right? The ox and the donkey, or let's say he's even sitting in the chariot, not actually holding the ropes in the front, right? But sitting in the chariot. That's what we're going to speak about. Hamanhig, sofeget ha'arbaim. If a person is leading the wagon itself, right? So if you have a picture, if you have a wagon, let's say over here, by the way, this is how they have it set up, how Rambam explains it. If you had two wagons in the front and a third one's attached to the rope connecting the two wagons, then you have people, let's say people are sitting in all three of these. And you have another person who's in the front who's actually holding the rope, leading the ox and the donkey. So the person who is leading the ox and the donkey in the front, who's holding on to the ropes or around the ox and the donkey, holding the two together and dragging it and leading it, that person's sofeget ha'arbaim. Also the person who's sitting in the wagons, right? The people who are sitting in the wagons, at least the first two, for sure, right? They also so for Hayoshev Bakaron, the person who's sitting in the wagon itself, even though he's not helping the animals walk, right? Also, sofeget ha'arbaim, he also gets the 40 lashes, right? Because they're over on the lo ta'aseh in the Torah, right? It's in pasuk lo ta'aseh, lo taharosh b'shoro b'hamor achdav, and therefore he also gets the 40 lashes. Rabbi Meir poter. Rabbi Meir says he's poter the person who's sitting in the wagon because he's not doing anything in helping with the actual walking of the actual movement of the wagons itself. He's just sitting there. He's being very passive. So Rabbi Meir says he's patur. Halacha is not like Rabbi Meir. Hashilishit she keshula retzuot asura. So the back wagon now this seems to be the words of Tanakama. The back wagon that is tied to the ropes, right? Meaning it's tied to the ropes connecting the to two front wagons, right? Over here, that's asur. So what does this mean? This is asur. So a lot of people, struggle to explain what this means. It seems like that when you say it's asur, it means it's not that he's lokeh. He doesn't get 40 lashes. It's not an isur deoraita, but it's still asur midirabanan. That's what it seems like. The explanation is over here. And halacha is not like Rabbi Meir, like we said. So rather, the people who are in the first two would be sofeget ha'arbaim. The person in the back wagon would be asur. And the person who's leading in the front, of course, they also get arbaim, the 40 lashes.